A lady texts you and says she's excited to see you. What is left to imagine, Jerry? Tell me.
I don't understand. So what do you want me to do now?
Prove yourself.
How?
Call her.
Call her? No, I can't do that now. No.
You can't do it.
It's late.
Jerry, call her. Jerry, 1. Jerry, 2. Oh, God. Jerry.
Too much for you.
It's too much for me, I think. You know, imagine today, as I was coming back from work, I saw the landlord's wife outside. And she was telling me that...
Landlord's wife?
Yes.
What's my age?
That, why didn't I join them in sanitary, whatever, on Saturday, last week, this and that? And I was like, who has that time? Do you think I'm going to come and be sweeping the entire compound? The one I'm doing in my house is okay, I beg. The woman's wahala is too much. Yeah. She'll be the one telling me, oh, can you help me go and do this at the bank? Can you help me go and do that at the bank? Like, I'm the only one in this compound.
Is your friend now?
Which friend? I beg, who has that time? Who are you texting?
Oh, no, it's just a colleague from work.
A colleague from work? This colleague must be really funny. This one you are laughing like this. I know it's not because of me.
How was your day?
My day was fine. Only traffic. And this your landlady wahala.
It's now my landlady.
Your phone is buzzing.
No, don't worry. Just ignore it. It's not important. Okay.
Nothing important.
Talk to me. That sweeping you were talking about, I'll do it.
I know you will do it because I'm not going to.
I will do it.
You will do it. Your phone is buzzing. You should check it.
It's nothing. I'll be back.
Jerry, it's nothing. Jerry is cheating. Mwah.
What's wrong?
Who is Tenny and why can't she wait to see you?
Let's have it.
Tenny is a colleague from work. New team member. We have a group meeting tomorrow.
A team member? Jerry, is it that I am too unintelligent or you are just calling me plain stupid? Because tell me why a girl will text you that she's excited to see you.
I told you, colleague from work now. Ada, it's not what you're thinking.
Ada, you know what? Calm down.
Ada, it's not what you are imagining. Chill.
A lady texts you and says she's excited to see you. What is left to imagine, Jerry? Tell me.
I don't understand. So what do you want me to do now?
Prove yourself.
How?
Call her.
Call her? No, I can't do that now. No.
You can't do it.
It's late.
Jerry, call her. Jerry, 1.
Dead body go surplus.
Jerry, 2. Oh, God. Jerry!
Wait. Fine. I'll call her.
Good. Put it on speakerphone and act as if I wasn't here.
Hello, Tenny.
Hello, Mr. Jerry. Surprised to see your call at this time. Hope all is well.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Oh. Why did you send me a text saying you can't wait to see me?
Oh, that. I said that because I can't wait to see you in that costume you're pitching for. I'm sorry if I sent the wrong signal. Hope no problem.
It's okay. It's fine. Are we?
Hello, Mr. Jerry. Are you there?
Are we dating?
Oh my God. No, Mr. Jerry. I'm happily married to a man that I love and trust.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Tenny. Sorry for the mix-up.
All right, oh,
Okay, good night. I'll see you tomorrow.
good night.
Okay, bye.
Oh, Bim. My heart. Baby, now I'm sorry. Should be it's because I love you. I'm sorry now.
That if you love me, you trust me.
See, baby, listen. Trust is earned while love is nurtured. Okay? Sorry.
So, after all these months of dating, 1 year now of marriage, no issues, no problem, nothing, and you still don't trust me.
Okay, I trust you now. And you've earned my trust. You've earned my trust, my love. I'm sorry now. And baby. Okay, let me make it up to you.
Are you sure?
I'll make it up to you. Okay, tell me anything you want, I'll do it.
Anything.
Anything.
First, you allow me play my game in peace.
Done. Done. Is that all?
Then
Okay.
you make a hustle for me.
Eh? Ohasu. That one is not possible, though.
Why? I'm angry. Oh.
I know, but Ohasu, that one is for fathers, and you are not a father.
Ada, what does that mean? What does
It
that
means
mean?
that you are a husband and yet to become a father.
Ada, I'm angry.
Baby, you need to understand that there are some soups that you don't have access to yet in this house.
Will you keep quiet?
Okay,
Sam.
fine. I'll make it for you. Alright, my love.
One more thing.
What again?
You rub my back for a week.
Eh? I'll do what? I will do no such thing. Rubbish.
Ada, I'm angry. Oh.
Stay angry.
Ada.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Stay angry.
We must learn a lesson.